Tomato. Let's learn kitchen items. I am a spoon. I am a plate. I am a fork.
I am a bowl. I am a cup. I am a spatula. I am a colander. I am a mortar and pestle. I am tongs.
I am a pan. I am a whisk. I am a rolling pin.
I am a kettle. I am a knife. I am a toaster. I am a grater. I am a peeler. I am a pressure cooker.
I am a tray. I am a bottle. I am a jar.
I am a ladle. I am a cutting board. I am a pot. I am a lighter. I am a matchbox. I am a blender. I am a funnel. I am a salt shaker. I am a lemon squeezer.
Please like, share, and subscribe to Little Tomato. Bye!